From the beginning, you are who you are. Before time started, you called us by grace. Love overflowing, you reached out your hand. Faithful and true, you remain the same. When the world is shaking, your promise still stands. Thy faithfulness, oh Lord, endures forever and ever. Thy faithfulness, oh Lord, from age to age, you never change. Age to age, you remain the same. You are the rock of ages strong. Nothing compares to thy faithfulness. Your word stands firm, your truth lives on. Thy faithfulness,